Ahead of the upcoming state legislative elections in West Bengal, the BJP organized a massive Parivartan rally to counter the influence of the Mamata Banerjee-led Trinamool Congress government. On Sunday, the BJP launched the Run for Modi campaign with hordes of supporting chanting slogans and taking out a march from Sham Bazaar to Vivekananda Road. Symbolic of BJP's ideology of nationalism, the march began from the landmark of Netaji's statue to Swami Vivekananda's ancestral home. As the supporters cheered in the support of BJP, the city of Kolkata witnessed the formidable strength of the party in TMC's bastion. Donning saffron t-shirts featuring PM Modi's image, the supporters chanted in unison, Modi Asche, Modi Asche. That is, the BJP headed by PM Modi is coming to power. National BJP Secretary Sunil Deodhar tweeted, Enthusiastic youth of Bengal wants Paribartan, that is change. It's just a matter of time before Mamta Didi's government bite the dust. It must be remembered that Sunil Deodhar had spearheaded the BJP's massive victory in Tirupura in 2018, which used to be one of the strongholds of the Communist Party. The chants of Har Har Modi and Modi Modi refused to cease. The show of strength was immense. Amidst the jubilant celebration, Bengali actor and former TMC member Hiran Chatterjee joined the BJP's campaign run for Modi. Chatterjee, who had earlier hinted at joining the BJP, was garlanded and welcomed by the party supporters. The Parivartan rally also saw the participation of BJP spokesperson Tejinder Pal Singh Bagga. The event, organized by Modi Para, saw massive participation of the city's youth. A young boy was seen playing the dhol while others rallied for PM Modi. Perhaps one of the iconic moments of the Run for Modi event was the participation of a physically disabled man who did not hesitate to tire himself for the Parivartan. Ahead of the polls, BJP leader Amit Shah has recently launched the Modi Para app. IT cell head Amit Malviya had informed that 1.8 lakhs users were on the app and that around 3.5 lakhs visited were recorded. Roughly 50% users are between the age of 26 and 35 years. The app has been a one stop destination for BJP's outreach campaigns and is proving successful in the countering the rival TMC's app Didir Doot. As BJP's makes inroad into the West Bengal, Mamta Banerjee faces tough competition to retain her seat to power.